I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the one I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your dreams be merry and bright, and may all of your Christmases be white. Today is day 17 of the Diamine Inkvent calendar, and let's see what we got today. Diamine Thunderbolt. It is a standard ink. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Okay. So, today is December 17th, 2021. Today is day 351 of 2021, and today's pens are the Noodler's Nib Creeper, aka the Noodler Standard Pen, the Pensive Pens Serendipity with the oval broad nib, and the Conklin Demograph with a Yovo 14-karat full-flex nib. Today, the sun came up at 6:50 a.m. and will depart at 4:45 p.m. It is 68 degrees and sunny with a low of 44 degrees. Today's question of the day is, what could society do without? And today's quote of the day is, from a small seed, a mighty trunk will grow. And today's inky prompt of the day is, where do you see yourself living in 10 years? Today's birthdays go out to Joel, Mindy, and Christy. And the birthday message has gone out. Alright, let's do some paper review, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear memo book from Walmart.com. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. Oh, don't notice my fat fingers. I was hoping there would be some red sheen in there. Oh, there it is. There's the red sheen. I'm going to put a big old dollop right there, and we will come back tomorrow and see what it looks like. Alright, this is Rhodia Dot Pad. Oh, that's a little close. That's just a lot close. This is Rhodia Dot Pad. You can kind of see the haloing. Like a red halo that goes on around the letters there. Kind of see it a little bit. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. It looks like it's trying to feather into the page. No bleeding. Oh, a little bit of bleeding. A little bit of ghosting. I might still use the backside of this paper. Ayush 100 GSM paper. No feathering. No bleeding. No ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Nemesine 80 GSM paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Lamy Booklet 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. It does look like it's feathering into the page, and it did bleed through. I would not use the backside of this paper. Unison composition book from Target for 50 cents. No feathering. Don't notice my finger swipe. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber notebook paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. Looks like it's trying to feather into the page right there, but other than that, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Oxford College roll paper. Oh, you can see the sheen a little bit. Oh, that's cool. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead wide ruled notebook paper. Feathered into the page. And bled through. I would not use the backside of this paper. All right, let's do a comparison panel. This is Diamine Thunderstorm next to Noodler's Baltimore Canyon Blue. Ferris Wheel Press Timeless Blue. Pilot Iroshizuku Konpeki. Rohr Inklinger Königsblau. Diamine Radiant Blue. Private Reserve DC Super Show Blue. These are very similar. Robert Oster Thunderstorm. I thought this would be interesting to compare names. Diamine Nightshade. Pannonia Hepakek. Institute Jade Vine. Diamine Deep Dark Blue. Diamine Ruby Blues. Diamine Stargazer. Diamine Storm, Diamine Blue Velvet Cake, Colorverse Cat, Diamine Bloody Brexit, Colorverse Stars and Stripes, Diatramentus Columbia Blue Copper, Pure Pen Saltire, Diamine Skull and Roses, Fountain Pen Revolution Blue Black, Twisby Midnight Blue, Noodlers Midnight Blue, Jeabon Kainai du Nepal, Diamine Florida Blue, Monteverde Caribbean Blue, Capri Blue, KWZ Hawaii Blue, Freedom of the Starry Skies Blue, Krishna Primary Blue, Noodlers Navajo Turquoise Twinkle, Birmingham Pen Company Angelfish, Cross Blue, Califolio Mediterranean, Lamy Blue, Tasha Jeans Light Washed, Colorverse Cotton Blue, Sailor Manyo Haha, Sailor Manyo Nadashiko, Sailor Manyo Konage, Carcos Turquoise, Diamine Havasu Turquoise, Noodlers Navajo Turquoise, Organic Studio Nitrogen, Krishna Cyan Twinkle, Diamine Blue Lightning, Monteverde Caribbean Blue, Krishna Light Blue, Twisby Sky Blue, Penbibius 386, Stipula Light Blue. Oh, these are the same thing. Jeava Blue Provence, Freddy's Vintage Blue Black, Sailor Suboku Pigmented Deep Blue, Noodlers 54th Massachusetts, Jeabon Verdigris, Nemesine Blue Snowball Nebula Twinkle, Lamy Crystal Benetite, Schaefer Script Royal Blue, Califolio Oliphant, and Tasha Jeans Dark Washed. Phew! That's a lot of blues. I did want to take a look at some ink swatches. Haven't really looked at ink swatches very much lately, so I thought we could check out some ink swatches. This is going to be way in the teal family, but Ferris Wheel Press Bluegrass Velvet. Actually, you know what? We're going to go backwards. We're going to go Colorverse Cotton Blue, Krishna Primary Blue, Sailor Suboku Deep Dark Blue, Diatramentus Steel Blue, Jeabon Kainai du Nepal, Organic Studio Nitrogen, Diamine Storm, Colorverse Cat, Birmingham Angelfish, Diamine Skull and Roses, Pure Pen Saltire, Diamine Bloody Brexit, Twisby Midnight Blue, Organic Studio Ralph Waldo Emerson, Tasha Jeans Dark Washed, Noodlers 54th Massachusetts, Monteverde Blue Velvet Cake, Organics Ralph Waldo Emerson Twilight Blue, Noodlers Midnight Blue, Robert Oster Lake of Fire, Diamine Radiant Blue, Cross Blue, Roar and Klinger Königsblau, Diatramentus Robert Louis Stevenson South Seas Blue, Private Reserve DC Super Show Blue, Aurora Blue, these are kind of similar, Colorverse Stars and Stripes, Diatramentus Columbia Blue Copper, Ferris Wheel Press Timeless Blue, Noodler's Baltimore Canyon Blue, Noodler's Navajo Turquoise, KWZ Hawaii Blue, Diamine Florida Blue, Monteverde Capri Blue, Diamine Ruby Blues, L'Artisan Pastel California Mediterranean, Sailor Mano Haha, Stipula Light Blue, Twisby Sky Blue, Pilot Roshizuku Konpeki, Giabon Blue Prevenge, Pen BBS 386, Schaefer Script Royal Blue, Carcos Turquoise, Diamine Havasu Turquoise, Tasha Jeans Light Washed, Robert Oster Pacific Ocean Teal, Papier Plume Coraline in My Mind, Krishna Light Blue, Diamine Stargazer, Birmingham Blizzard Twinkle, Diamine Blue Lightning, Giabon Emerald of Chavor. Now we're getting into the teals and greens. Organic Studio Alanine, Robert Oster Sydney Darling Harbor, Noodler's Blue Nose Bear, and last but not least, Ferris Wheel Press Bluegrass Velvet. These look totally different from the written portions. Well, what did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a really pretty blue? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So take care until then. Okay, love you. Bye. Have a great day.